One great question that I get asked is, which test should I be taking? Should I take the GMAT test or should I take the GRE test? The GMAT predominantly has been used for business school admissions, especially for MBAs. The GREs have been predominantly used for STEM majors, especially if you're trying to do a master's in engineering, computer science. That's where the GRE is used. But over the recent years, we've been seeing more and more STEM designated degrees out of the School of Business. Your master's in business analytics, master's in information systems, a master's in business statistics, they're all STEM designated. A master's in data science, which is going to be a confluence of business and computer science. All of those, because they're STEM designated, no matter where they're housed, they will take the GRE. So in order to be versatile, I would say focus on the GRE more than the GMAT. But if you've taken the GMAT and this program is offered out of the School of Business, your GMAT will also apply in terms of considering you for admission. So they will both be considered. Now, that's not entirely true if you're just going for your MBA. For your MBA, the gold standard is still the GMAT. Some business schools have started to take the GRE for the MBA programs, especially if you're doing the dual degree, an MBA and an MS. Sometimes a GMAT score is sufficient for those dual degrees, but we have to look at the exact same university requirements because it again changes university by university. Elite universities, I'll pick Harvard as an example, you have to get admitted into each program independently and then you'll be able to do the dual program at that university. So what that means is you need the GRE and the GMAT because you're going to be viewed independently and then you're joined at the very end when you're taking these courses. That may be very different for another university. If I pick the university I went to, Arizona State, for my bachelor's, I would imagine that their requirements are slightly different. And so you have to really look to see how the university views these dual degrees and what's applicable. But if it's all the same to you, you're going to take just one test, I would incline you towards taking the GRE because it will provide you with a little bit more versatility than just taking the GMAT.